what's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, can pass that bitch like Stockton.
What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna take out the Supra, we're gonna do some pulls, we're gonna do some acceleration, some turbo noise clips. Hopefully this video gives you a little of the experience that I get every time I drive the Supra. It's a very quick car with such simple bolt-ons. As you guys know, I have the Dow 6769 turbo with port injection and basically all the full bolt-ons. Nothing too crazy. Stock transmission, stock manifold, stock low pressure fuel pump. Not a crazy setup, but good power to have fun. Now I'm gonna keep the car on normal mode so you don't hear all the pops and crackles from the exhaust, so you can really hear the turbo. It sounds amazing. It just wants to go. Just listen to this. Sounds so good. Let's do a little second gear pull. It just wants to rip the road. Now let's get on the highway, do a little quick pull, turn off traction control, and we're gonna do a little, let's do third gear pull, just because second gear we're not gonna get any traction. All right, let's see what we got here. Yep, and this is how quick you get into trouble. Oopsie, that's not me. I hope you guys can hear all of these turbo noises. Today it's kind of humid. It's 82 degrees. It's pretty hot outside. Not the perfect weather for a turbo car, but oh my god, once it pulls, whew, once you shift, you think that's it, it's not gonna pull as hard as the previous gear, but no, it just keeps going. Oh my god, gunshots. Quick second gear pull. Wow, I'm telling you guys, you can get in trouble with this car so quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll keep uploading the Supra content. Peace.